Hey folks, and welcome back. Today we are diving into how to connect PhantomBuster with n8n, a powerful automation combo for marketers and sales team. Whether you are looking to trigger phantoms, move data around, or build end-to-end workflows, this setup can save you serious time. I will walk you through the full integration step by step. Let's get into it.
We're starting on the n8n dashboard. First, click on the Credentials tab in the left-hand menu. Then, click Add New Credentials.
Search for PhantomBuster API in the list and select it.
Let's head over to PhantomBuster to get an API key. Go to API Keys and click Add API Key. Copy that key, then head back to n8n, paste it in the field, and click Save. If everything is set up properly, you will see a green message confirming that the connection was tested successfully.
And that's how you connect PhantomBuster with n8n to supercharge your automations. If anything wasn't clear or if you have any question, please drop us your comment or question below or in the PhantomBuster community. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.